Mewn y dawi. O Blerwch, pawb yn disgyn, mae'n gecod smotin. Ond yw Drenewydd ddim yn gallu credu'r peth. Mae rhaid cyfaddau, ni'n teimlo fel bod dau o chwaraewyr Cei Connah wedi mynd mewn i'w gilydd.
Mae Walker sy'n ennill y bêl yn y marn i, mae o'n cael gwared ohoni.
Wel, allai ddim yn y byd gweld be mae y Drenewydd wedi wneud fan hyn. Does da fi ddim syniad. Morris yn erbyn Dave Jones. A mae Morris o drwch blewyn yn cael y gol. Ei gynta o'r tymor, y gynta o'r noson.
Cic o smotin, dadleuol neu ddim. Mae rhaid i Cei Connah fanteisio ar y cyfle ac dyma'n union be maen nhw wedi wneud.
A nawr ddim yna le. Lawr y chwith i Harrington yn chwipio ddi fewn. Mae'n un beryglus sy'n achosi problemau ac yn codi yn uwch na neb. Mae Mike Wild yn benderfynol gyda'i ben. Mae'n ddwy.
Mae Horan yn neud o'n anodd iawn i Dave Jones fynd o'i gwmpas o neu drosto fo. Mike Wild efo'r holl profiad sydd gennym fo. 3 neu 2 llall allan, di o ddim yn mynd i gwastraffu'r cyfle yna.
Holmes eto. Chosi problemau, Wild yn cyrraedd na. A mae'n arbediad gan Dave Jones.
Unwaith eto pêl uniongyrchol, dyna be mae Mike Wild yn disgwyl. Dave Jones yn neud gwaith gwych yn y gol i stopio hwn fynd yn 2-0.
A mae'n teimlo fel noson hir i'r Drenewydd nawr. Ni'n cael ambell i hanner cyfle neu fflach fach. A nawr mae Cei Connah nôl eto. Mae'n y gyfle Hayes, ail gyfle Hayes. Mae'n drydedd, mae ar ben nawr. Mike Hayes, hen ben arall yn dychwelyd i Cei Connah.
Pêl uniongyrchol, Wild yna'n gyntaf, Hayes yn gweithio oddi arno fo. A pêl yn ffodus yn glanio nôl iddo fo cyn iddo fo tapio fo fewn i'r rhwyd.
O nawr mae'n y gyfle trwy'r canol. Arbediad gan Ffyrdd, Drenewydd, os na gol! Mae'n gol, mae Drenewydd di sgorio a mae record yna ar ben. Aaron Williams sydd i chalu. O'n i'n edrych tuag at y Llamanwr i weld os oedd na gam sefyll. Dim penderfyniad a mae'r rhediad hir. Ers misio nawr ar ben. Maen nhw wedi ildio yn y gyngrair.
You get decisions like that. It seems to be whenever you guys, we've had the last 2 or 3 live games, we've got real rough end decisions. But listen, I'm not going to stand here whinging and moaning about it. I don't want to get myself in trouble, but it's not a penalty. But then, you know, the second goal's poor from us. It's poor. We knew tonight was going to be very tough for us. They're going ever so well. I thought we competed from 18 to 18 with them, probably even. But I think the 2 penalty boxes, they were better than us in tonight.
Would it be fair to say a comfortable win?
To be honest with you, they never feel comfortable when you're on the side. I thought it was comprehensive. You know, I thought that we managed the game. We were really efficient about the way we went about our game today. All credit to the players. You know, we've worked them really hard in training this week, and we've had to change and adapt systems of play 3 times. You know, this evening, Chris Hughes knows me really well. You know, over the years that we've worked together, so I knew they'd try and come up with different things. And you know, I thought we were really comfortable at 3-0. And obviously the goal we're disappointed with, but we've managed to see the game out well.
I'm pleased with the second half performance, with the response. You know, we passed the ball better, we moved the ball better. The game had settled down a little bit. I think that was the whole point. If we could get to 20-25 minutes, still be in the game. But yeah, look, obviously the the referees took that away from us. But yeah, it's a disappointing decision for us to deal with. But like I say, pleased with the reaction second half.
And it's looking very promising, isn't it, at this stage of the season?
Yeah, it is, and you know, we've got to remember that I think, you know, just about coming up to 3 months in the job. You know, only 16 games in, but I think, you know, we've won 13 of those 16 games, and you know, we've created something here that we've sort of, you know, reset the group really. You know, it's been a really good, successful 5, 6, 7 years for Connah's Nomads, and we've gone back to basics in some ways, and we've added some little bits that I want to add into it. And so far, it's a successful formula, but we've got lots of work to do still.